First I'm gonna open Play Store and then download Preference Manager. It only works for rooted phone. Non-rooted phones won't be able to do this method. I'm just gonna open it. It will ask me for root permission. Let me just grant that. Now on the top I'm gonna select show system apps. It's not showing here show system apps because I've already selected the option before. Now head down below and tap on YouTube. On the top you should know that the tab must be youtube.xml. As you can see, my previous app is white as the normal one. So first you have to do is search dark. If you don't see anything, don't worry. Just back and tap on that add icon and select Boolean and type in whatever I am typing. I will mention the name in the description too. Just type app underscore theme underscore dark underscore developer and check the value is on true or not. It's already on true, so just I'm gonna tap on add and be done with it. Now again I'm gonna select add boolean. I'm gonna type in app underscore dark underscore theme. Now the value here must be true, just like before. Just add it. Now head down to the settings of YouTube and force close the app. Let me just show you. As soon as you force stop and restart the app, it will be black now. So this is how you can try to darken your YouTube app.